Hello everybody, what a great day, what a fantastic turnout. Thousands have gathered here today from all over the country, and it's wonderful to be around so many like-minded, talented people, because as opposed to those that stand against the NHS, our numbers are growing day by day, hour by hour. Take Dr. Chan's petition, which currently sits neatly in the #1 slot on the #10 website. Thousands of people an hour were signing this petition a few weeks ago. What did Nye Bevan say? And I know it's already been said, but I'm going to say it. The NHS will last as long as there are folk left with the faith to fight for it. And I think today he would be proud. We care, we have the faith, and we are not giving up. I must confess, I love being at NHS rallies. This has to be the safest place in the world. No matter who I am, no matter what I earn, no matter what happens to me, I know you will treat me exactly the same as anybody else. Here today, we have lots of GMB members, many of whom are paramedics, and I thought Dave did a fantastic speech earlier today. Many of our GMB members have come from the Capital's ambulance service and the NHS services. We have our nurses from a array of unions and Royal Colleges, our GPs, our doctors, paediatricians, physiotherapists, our NHS managers. Hey, all we need is the Royal College of Surgeons and we've got a full house. And this is why the NHS is special. Special because it works together. Yes, we can reform, but let's stand back and celebrate the reform that's been achieved, the creation of an amazing NHS workforce. Cameron, Clegg and Lansley, shame on you. Do you think you owe the NHS nothing? What would your parents say you owe the NHS? Are you prepared to see it go, despite the NHS having brought most of us all into the world? The British public will not forgive you if you destroy our NHS. And while I'm here today in this palatial surrounding of Westminster, we should send a message to the Backbench Business Committee. 170,000 people have signed a petition to save the NHS from a bill with no mandate, from parties with no majority. We call on the Backbench Business Committee to stand up for us and against the abuse of these houses. You know, back in 2003, it was clear what the Tories wanted. Do you remember the policy they were pushing? Patient passports, NHS money you can spend in the private sector. You can go anywhere to get treated as long as you top up your vouchers with health insurance and hard cash. Well, the British public can reassure themselves they were right not to trust the Conservatives with the NHS in the 2001 and 2005 elections. Let's face it, the Conservatives only managed to crawl back from the political wilderness because they promised us they could be trusted with the NHS, and as soon as they get back in, they present their destructive bill. So we continue to do whatever it takes. Not a day goes by and someone else speaks for the NHS. My union, the GMB, is proud to work alongside all other organisations and will continue to battle until the people of this country leaves this government no option but to drop the bill. And time is ticking. If the government have their way, this bill may be passed before the month end. So let's do whatever it takes to save our NHS.